Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today we are at a donut shop. I have the car outside and at the moment what we're going to be doing is we'll buy some donuts tapos we'll meet someone because I'm buying an LED bulb for the car. Yung harapan, yung headlight naka-LED na siya. Park light at saka yung pinaka bulb for the headlight. Yan, LED na. Itong fog light ko, ano pa rin siya, halogen. So later magiging LED na to. Kasi ang sagwa naman ng itsura na LED to, white, tapos ito madilaw-dilaw pa. We're just buying some donuts para pag napaaga kami dun sa meet-up place, at least we'll have something to eat. This right here is my absolute favorite. Ito, choco candy. So we already have our donuts. Yan. Tapos we are on our way to the meetup place. But this is the car right now. If you guys haven't seen my previous vlog, yan, ini-install ko to. Yan, it's a temperature gauge head-up display for the car. Tapos yan, ito na yung views ko ngayon. Still running pretty good. So let's go to the meetup place para mabili na natin yung LED light. Tapos later pagdating sa bahay, we'll have it installed. Dito na yung agreed meetup place. Petron, San Pablo. Kaya lang wala yata tayo matatambayan dito. While we're waiting, we're going to be enjoying some of the donuts that we bought earlier. So yan. This is what we just bought. Yan, fog lights for the car, H11 socket. So tara, let's go back home and let's have these installed. We are on our way back to Lipa and just check this out. Check out the view. Tignan mo, ang sarap mag-drive dito sa diversion road connecting San Pablo and Lipa kasi yan, the street is like 6 lanes wide. Yan o, ang lapad. Tapos ito yung scenery, mountains all around, tapos wide road, walang masyadong traffic. So yun, sarap pagmaneho dito. Ayan, we made it back and ito, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng fog light ko ngayon. Ayan, madilaw-dilaw pa kasi halogen pa. Yan pa yung, I believe, yung stock na bulb that came with the car. Pero ito ang headlight ko, saka yung park light ko, napalitan ko na. So palitan lang natin ng LED na white para maging pareho na sila. And again, this is the product that we're going to be using. Yan, Novsight. Ano ba to? N39. Yung ano niya, yung socket niya is H11. So tara, i-install na natin to dito sa kotse. Let's go. Ito yung pag-i-install ko sa kanya with the hood up. Of course, tutukutin ko na lang siya dito. Yun yung bala ko. Doon sa side. Yan, medyo maluwag naman tong side na to. So I think I'd be able to reach the socket which is right over there. Bunutin na lang. Sa other side, naku, yun lang, medyo may nakaharang na ano ito. Pero bahala na, I'll figure it out as I go along. Pero yun na lang yung bala ko. I have no plans of removing the bumper para lang makabit yung bulb. Yan, bahala na, tukutin ko na lang siguro. Okay, so yan, nabunot ko na yung isa sa mga bulb and ganito pala yung itsura niya. So yan, kabit ko na lang eh. And this is how the new bulbs look. Yan, ito. Ayan. So So yan, I'll just figure out kung paano ko ba to ikakabit. Not a fan of reading instructions, so tingnan na lang natin. I'm pretty sure na isasaksa ko lang naman talaga to dun sa loob. Tapos bahala na. So yan, I was able to finally have it installed. Tapos na-connect ko na yung plug and ito na yung difference. Tignan mo. Check it out. Mami, oh. I'm just showing my wife the difference between the LED light and yung stock na halogen. Tignan mo. What do you think? Ayos, mas maliwanag. First impression is that it's definitely brighter ito versus dito sa halogen. I mean, just check that out right there. Ito, naninilaw na, malabo na. Siguro maybe because of age kaya madilaw na rin, pero this right here definitely, wow, ang liwanag. So we proceed with the install. Patayin ko muna. Alright, so there you go. After 30 minutes, tapos ko na yung install. Yan. Ito yung ginamit natin na product. Novsite na, again, H11. And ito na yung itsura kapag nakakapit sa sasakyan. Versus sa stock, mas maliwanag talaga siya. Siyempre, on the aesthetic side of things, mas maganda siyang tingnan kasi yung stock kanina is naninilaw na. And this right here is like super white. Mas bagay sa kotse in my opinion. And at the same time, if you're using LEDs, less strain sa battery, nakakatulong din sa battery mo. Yung isa sa mga benefits ng using LED as opposed to halogen. But in this case, really, the reason why I changed my my bulbs sa fog light is just for aesthetics, to be honest. Kasi yun nga, white na yung headlight ko, so ipinarehas ko na rin yung fog light ko. This is the car right now. Medyo madumi kasi actually may bagyo ngayon, so I'm not going to clean the car today. Siguro saka na lang. And I'll be doing more modifications on the car as I go along, so you guys stay tuned. Doon sa mga hindi pa naka-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing more modifications to this car. So far, yung pinakamalaking na bago ko lang dito is yung yung LNT na low wedding spring. Yun yung in-install ko, kaya medyo mababa yung sasakyan. Ayan. And siguro next would be the tint. Kaya may tint ako sa likod. Sa harapan walang tint. I'm planning to install yung parang greenish na tint sa harapan. For now, I'll be ending the video right here. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.